What happens when you do push-ups every day for a month? You probably know that doing push-ups have some health benefit, but I bet that some push-ups benefits will surprise you. Watch this video to the end because the last two will surprise you. Indeed, most people do not know that you could achieve those by doing push-ups. Doing push-ups every day for a month can be an excellent way to develop a regular exercise routine, shed excess weight, and get your body in shape. Although it might seem too simple to have any significant effects, you'll be surprised by all the benefits you can gain from a daily push-up routine. Here are some of the most significant changes that will happen to your body when you do push-ups every day for a month. 1. You'll feel energized. Push-ups engage all the major muscle groups in your body. Plus, it increases your respiration rate, heart rate, and body temperature. All that makes you feel more energized. The best way to benefit from this is to do your push-ups in the morning so that you can enjoy the benefits of having increased energy throughout the day. 2. You'll have more defined muscles. Putting your muscles to work on a daily basis gets them in greater shape. By challenging yourself with push-ups, your muscles will become more developed. Consequently, they will look more defined and give you a noticeably more impressive silhouette. This is especially noticeable around your arms, shoulders, chest, and back. 3. You'll enjoy better upper body strength. Developing your muscles doesn't just lead to definition but also strength. Although push-ups have excellent effects on the entire body, it is especially useful for developing upper body strength. By doing this daily, you'll notice that your shoulders, pectoral muscles, and triceps become increasingly stronger. 4. You'll have a stronger core. Doing push-ups in good form also helps you develop a stronger core. Push-ups require you to engage your abs and lower back to keep you stable. Over time, you will notice that your abdominal muscles are not only more defined, but your lower back is also more robust and less prone to aches. 5. You will have a better posture. Developing a stronger core by doing daily push-ups also improves your posture. This is especially useful if you tend to slouch or sit around all day. Having stronger abdominal and back muscles will help keep your torso straight and minimize strain on both your muscles and ligaments. It also reduces the stress on your spine. Doing push-ups is good for your back. 6. You'll shed excess fat. Stronger muscles generally lead to a leaner body. With the increased heart rate and muscle development you get from daily push-ups, you'll be able to burn more calories as well as more fat. Additionally, more developed muscles lead to better metabolism and the reduced ability to store excessive fat. Doing push-ups regularly will help you burn calories and make you lose weight, but it can do more than make you lose weight. Push-ups do not target your stomach per se, but because push-ups burn a lot of calories, it can flatten your stomach. Because push-ups engage practically all the muscle groups in your body, you will gain so much by only doing them every day for a month. The trick in getting the most benefits from this exercise is to keep challenging yourself. As you get stronger, the push-ups will start to get easier. Make sure you do enough to push your body's limits without going too far as to cause injury. After a month, you will see and feel the difference. Here are the study references we used in the creation of this video. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.